9000 Series Eco Combi Washer Dryer. Wash and dry everything in one go. At the heart of the Eco Combi is AEG Sensi-Dry technology, which allows gentle drying at lower temperatures to protect delicate fabrics. As the world's first heat pump washer dryer, the Eco Combi is extremely energy efficient, consuming 40% less energy and water compared to other A-class washer dryers, without compromising washing or drying results. AEG Dual Sense technology tailors the temperature and motion of the drum to different fabrics and textiles. Controlled heat and drum movement mean that everything from hand-wash-only woolens to outdoor wear can be carefully washed and dried with no loss of shape or technical functionality. The non-stop program takes just 3 hours to wash and dry loads of up to 3 kilograms. One seamless dry-to-dry process delivers ready-to-wear results in one convenient program. ProSense sensors automatically adapt water and energy usage, as well as washing and drying time to the amount of laundry. This protects fabrics and reduces wear while saving time, water and energy. The ProSense sensors also display an alarm if the drum is overloaded. AEG 9000 Series Eco Combi washer dryers are available with a selection of accessories. The AEG Premium pedestal raises the Eco Combi washer dryer to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to keep the appliance working like new and to protect your laundry. Your complete wardrobe guardian, the 9000 Series Eco Combi washer dryer.